Welcome to the Crochet Channel! Today we are learning how to crochet a foundation chain. The chain stitches are the first crochet stitches you need to learn because they are from the base of all other stitches, called a foundation chain. So to begin, you will need to create a slip knot. Begin by crossing the yarn to form a circle, and then insert the hook and use the hook to grab the yarn and pull through the circle. This forms a loop on the hook and a loose, open knot below the loop. Pull both ends of the yarn firmly to tighten the knot and the loop around the chain of the hook. You're done! So to crochet a chain, wrap the yarn around the hook by moving your hook under the yarn at the same time as you move the yarn slightly forward. Draw a loop of yarn through the loop on the hook. This completes the first chain. Let's try another to remember. Yarn over, then pull the first loop through the second loop. Perfect! So yarn over, pull the first loop through the second loop. Let's try a couple more, shall we? So you will want to yarn over, pull that first loop through the second loop on your hook. There you go! Yarn over and pull the first loop through the second loop. Perfect! So you will want to continue making chains in the same way until you have the number specified in your crochet pattern. As you make chains for the foundation chain, count each stitch until you have made the required number. Then, before starting crochet, recount the chain to check that you have the correct number. With the front of the chain facing you, starting counting the stitches from the base of your hook and count leftward. Practice chain stitches until you are comfortable holding a hook and releasing and tensioning yarn. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the Crochet Channel for lots of exciting, easy, and best of all free crochet tutorial patterns which you can use to create your own crochet pieces. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Be kind to someone today and keep smiling until the next video.